আসসালামু আলাইকুম রহমতুল্লাহি ওবরাকাতুহু। প্রিয় দর্শক সকলে কেমন আছেন? আশা করি অনেক অনেক ভালো আছেন। So let's again welcome again in our fourth episode in technology news that's based on technology. So today I will discuss an apps which um, okay, I will translate it English. Okay, translate options, choose another languages. Okay, English, translate it. If you have 7 apps, your Facebook password will be leaked, so we have to careful about it, and we have to make awareness each other about it. Okay, passwords are very important for Facebook users in the world of cybercrime. Most netized do not save Facebook password, but there is no guarantee that Facebook privacy will be maintained. There are several apps on Android phones that can be used and steal Facebook password according to various cyber security companies. It known as the there are about 200 apps from which various personal information include Facebook password can be separated. So there are 7 very popular in the list of একটু ওয়েট ভাই আসতেছি। So dear viewers, what I can okay, there are 7 very popular apps in the list and 200 dangerous apps. According to a software company called Trend Micro, a number of apps are using spyware called FaceTailer. The company has previously identified about 40 cryptocurrency mining apps. These 40 apps were spreading personal information without permission. There were also allegations of cryptocurrency that against these apps. If you have 7 apps on your phone, so it will be doubt about the privacy of Facebook. So you have to avoid these apps